Hey everyone, Don Frank here. Welcome back to another video. And today it's a very wet and windy visit to Tyntesfield House, which is just on the edge of Bristol, straight off the motorway, heading towards further south. Yeah, so I'll get as much footage as I can inside, but won't be too much outside because it is gale force winds and heavy rain. But let's go and check it out. Tyntesfield is a Victorian Gothic Revival country house near Bristol, North Somerset. The location was formerly that of a 16th century hunting lodge, which was used as a farmhouse until the early 19th century. In 1843, the property was bought by businessman William Gibbs, who you can see here. Within a few years of making his purchase, Gibbs began a major programme of rebuilding and enlarging of the mansion. As a result, William Gibbs had turned this into a Gothic Revival style building.